Mmm, yummy. Hello friends, I'm Nandana and I'm 6 years old. Today I'm going to show you how to make a salad without fire. Our main ingredient is carrot. Carrot is a healthy vegetable. It contains vitamin A and vitamin B6, which is good for our eyes. So let's make the salad. Here is the ingredients: grated carrot, chopped onion, chopped green chili and lemon, salt, coconut oil. Now take a clean bowl and spoon. Add the grated carrot and add it in the bowl. And chopped onion. Green chili, chopped green chili. Mix it. Now add some salt and mix it. Put a little oil and mix it. Lastly, put some lemon juice and mix it. Now take a plate and serve it in the plate. The salad is ready.